Oh, it's it on this video. Oh my god. Go, man. I'm not forcing the man because someone's are building something outside, so don't. Okay. So we're going in. I love playing on YouTube because I don't know you can. So let's go. Okay, this reason I got 55 out of 76%. I can look at the top. You see it up here. There. Okay, I want to go this way. And next I want to go down. Not up. Down. I'm going to go. What? No, I didn't want to go here. And coming. That was a bad mistake that I did. Anyone did. Ooh. So I won the first part. Yes, I'm money round. Let's go here. Go down there. It's not moving. Okay. It's not moving. Oh. Up. Okay, let's go back down. Down. We're winning this thing. Okay, so we won the first of them. I'm not gonna take any whatever videos or anything. So next level. Hurry. Bing. Oh my god. So if I want to go straight up, I think, yeah. I could go anywhere, but I'm going this way. Oh my god, why this thing always coming up on my phone, dude. Let's go this way. Down. Okay, I'm gonna win in this trip. Okay, let's go down. Let's go over. No, don't. I'm not gonna get off. Next. Okay. Next level. Go up. Go up. Let's go this way. Go that way. Go that way. Let's go that way. Okay, let's go this way. Go straight. Yeah. And let's go up. And let's go cross. Let's go down, down, just go down. No, 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 no. Let's go up the hill, and we won. So, next level. So let's go forward. What? Oh. No. So guys, I'm going to have to watch videos on this one because I want to get a train or lots of money because I want a lot of money on this game. So let's go this way and let's go this way. Yes. Second chest room. $3,000. No. I have to win this. Oh, I didn't get it. I'm gonna watch a video. Let's watch the video. I want to get that money. Okay. Okay. Are you kidding me? What? This one. This one. And this one. I didn't get it. It was this one. I'm gonna press the next video. So hurry up thing. Load. 3, 2, 1. What? Hurry. Because I need to get another video. The best word. It's a best reward, guys. So, hurry thing. Okay, no thanks, whatever. Okay, so we get all our money, so let's finish playing this stupid game. So, I'm gonna pick on a different train then. I'll pick this one. So let's go back. This one. Thing go down, cause I'm not wasting any time with you. Okay. Win this. So guys, I'm going to introduce you to, make sure you check out my brother channel and my little brother channel. One name is Gaming Critic, one is Khalil Bean, not with an M, with an N. Okay? I'm way too long for this. This is too long. Okay. We're going up because I don't want to kill myself here. So we're going up. I'm going down, down, down. Down, down, down. I'm going down, 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 down. I did my only death. No, dear. I can't tell. We're going up, 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 up to the roof, roof, roof. Alright, let's stop singing. Go over here. What the heck? Sorry about that. We have to start over, I guess. But we're gonna on the same level, so that's okay. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, sorry. Okay. Let's wait for this video. Come on, I'm gonna end this video here. Okay. Let's wait. Oh. So I'm gonna end this video here, guys. So toodles, bye.